graduate. I really want to enrich my friends about Sadashivoham 2016. How do I enrich someone who doesn't know anything about Swamiji, Vedic tradition, Third Eye, and not even Sadashiva? How can I describe the program?
Sadashivoham 2016 is upgrading yourself. They may not know Vedic tradition, they may not know Third Eye, they may not know Swamiji, they may not know Sadashiva, but they know deep sleep, dream, waking state. Tell them this three is not end of you. Making them understand, experience all the 25 states of consciousness and their possibilities. Understand? Whatever you know about you as and now is only deep sleep, dream and waking state. But there is more states of consciousness which you can experience in your system, which opens up many powers and possibilities in you. Many powers and possibilities in you, letting you experience those possibilities, called the state of Turiya and Turiyatita, and the expressions of those states and those powers. That is what exactly is the purpose of Sadashivoham. Whatever you know about you is only three states, and making you experience all the 25 states. Whatever you know about the world is only three dimensions: length, breadth, depth. Making you experience all the 11 dimensions: length, breadth, depth, time, space, and the permutation combinations of this. Making you experience all the 11 dimensions of the universe. And whatever you know about God is only three aspects: generation, operation, destruction. But making you experience the other major aspects like a delusion and liberation. Sadashivoham is all about raising you to the next level. Whatever you know about you is only three states of consciousness as and now, making you experience 25 states of consciousness. Whatever you know about the world is only three dimensions: length, breadth, depth, but making you experience all the 11 dimensions of the universe which exists. Whatever you know about God is only three: generator, operator, destructor, but making you experience all the 5 aspects of God: generation, operation, destruction, and delusion and liberation. Making you experience the highest possibilities in the states of consciousness, in the aspects of God and the dimensions of the universe, is Sadashivoham. You may not know Vedic tradition, you may not know Third Eye, you may not know Sadashiva, you may not know Swamiji, but you know what is sleep, waking state and dream state, and upgrading yourself to the next dimensions which you have not seen, and opening up those possibilities and powers in you which you may not know, is Sadashivoham. Sadashivoham is upgrading you. Next question.